One day, a wolf came near the village. He smiled and spoke very sweetly. "I am your friend," said the wolf. The small animals believed him. The wolf helped the animals and acted kind, but he was pretending. A smart dog was watching the wolf. The dog felt something was wrong. The dog barked loudly and warned everyone. The animals ran away quickly. The wolf got scared and ran back into the forest. The village was safe again. Moral: be careful of fake kindness.